Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb, and today we are baking salmon and vegetables. It's going to be that easy. We're going to throw everything in a pan and we're going to pop it in the oven, okay? How does that sound to you? Okay, so here are the salmon patties, and also we do have to season these. Okay. I could already say I don't have room for my vegetables, so I'm going to put that in another pan. But first I want to season the salmon patties. Oh, those are very well seasoned. Okay. Okay, I don't think I mentioned I chose to season mine with lemon pepper. Okay, now I do have another pan out here. I am going to, like I said, I'm going to make this so easy. California blend. I'm just going to dump that right there into my other baking dish. And then I've been really liking this Mrs. Dash. So let's get that very well seasoned up. Okay, so now I have my oven set to 400, and we are going to pop both of them in the oven at the same time. This should take anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes at the longest. We want that fish to be obviously cooked, white, flaky, and the vegetables to be done. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pop mine in the oven. Also, friends, I just wanted to show you, I had bought a 2-pound bag from Walmart because it was a little bit more feasible price-wise, okay, to just get it like this. Okay, I just wanted to show you the bag because you didn't see it come out of the bag, and I just wanted to say, hey, look it's this that I got. Okay, friends, I did make a side salad to put with that. Vegetables are done, and they taste good with the fish. Look how flaky. Yeah. Oh, that is super flaky. And it's very well seasoned. This is really, 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 really good. I like it. Make sure you season it well. And also your vegetables. I did cook this for 25 minutes. Oh, something else I wanted to do. Okay, the plate is hot. There's the skin. I don't know. I just wanted to show you the underneath. Maybe some people just want to know that. But it turned out to be a very healthy, delicious meal and fast. This was super fast. Like, you just throw it all in a pan and pop it in the oven. And like I said, this did take me like 20 minutes. It took me 20 minutes. That was on my timer. But you can do 20, check 20, because everybody's stove works different, and that's why I'm saying that. But friends, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more budget-friendly videos like this, please subscribe. And most of all, friends, keep cooking. I love you all.